Hi everyone, it's Carol and I'm cluing you all in on a new series. It's Window Wednesday, and so many of you are either out of state or even out of town and not immediately, you travel in maybe, but you're not really super close by, or you are just super busy, as many of us are, and you're not able to catch a glimpse of our windows each week. So we do change out our windows frequently, and so this is just going to show you what's in our window. The category, I've created a category on our website called Window Wednesday, so everything that's in our window for that week is in that category for you to shop. So be sure to check out our website, go to the top in the categories and you'll see Window Wednesday, and click through and you'll see the current window with all the products linked in so you can shop our window virtually. Isn't that cool? So anyway, so I wanted to just kind of introduce what we're doing. This week we're doing gorgeous cobalts in the window. Last week, I'm going to link in the picture that we did last week. Last week we did a gorgeous window in reds, and we had En Plein Air, which is a painting event here, outdoor painting event, and so we did just a beautiful window pane red print from APNY. I'm not going to do a video every week on this, but you'll see the category updated. We will post on social media and Facebook our new Window Wednesday items in a picture, and you'll be able to shop those. So be sure to like us on Facebook or follow us on Instagram, and you'll be able to actually link through and actually shop those items. Of course, we always want you to call us, but you'll be able to go through and just see, you know, what sizes we have left on some of these items. Like, for example, this little number, this gorgeous little piece that's out of bamboo fabric, we only have an extra small left in, but isn't it gorgeous in this color scheme for the window? So this is a little polka dot top and a cobalt little tie, very popular style, extra small. Along with the Luxe Narrow Pant from Simply, and we had this in our last Window Wednesday too. Through summer you'll probably see a lot of this pant because it's such a great basic. The next one is what I'm wearing. It's the short caftan from APNY. I absolutely love the colors in this piece. It has navies, it has a hot pink, has a geranium color, a pink, some soft mint greens. And this one actually, if this is a little bit too much fabric for those of you that are more petite, I recommend just knotting the side and pulling in a little bit of that fabric. And these little short caftans actually are wonderful for bathing suit cover-ups too. So not on me because I'm 5'10", but you can do that also. And I just love that to kind of pull in some of the fabric. So you can do that. We've paired that with the Charlie B little frayed edge jean in white. Again, we have limited sizes on that, but again, you could go to the Window Wednesday category and find what sizes we have on each of these. The jewelry is Susan Shaw here, and paired with some Sheila Fajol Chantal hoops. No jewelry on her. We have some sale jewelry on her to tie in the navy pant. All of this is Simply. This is that little deep V cap sleeve top, but it's a new arrival in lapis. So this is so gorgeous. Everybody's oohing and eyeing over that already. And the pants are the new wrapped pant, that narrower wrapped pant in navy. So we can get any of those in any sizes you need still. So again, welcome to Window Wednesday. Please be sure to check us out on our social media, or you can actually check out our Window Wednesday category each week on Wednesday on our website and be able to shop all the beautiful pictures and all the items that are styled in our window. So welcome virtually, or come by and see our window in person and come in and visit. Thank you so much, and we'll talk soon.